Point? Okay now? Yes, please respond. Yes, thank you. Thank you, everyone. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, thank you, everyone, Nana. Screen was ready.
Hello, sir.
Sir, sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, na? Fine,
Okay.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Hello, good evening, all of you. Good evening, guys. Can you hear me? Hello. Okay, very good. Yeah. Now, let us see this one. Where were we in the last class? So we were dealing with tenses only, errors in the tenses, and we can complete them, and we can go to new topic today, right? So can you see the screen, guys? Hello, can you see? Can you see the? Okay, right. Now, okay, let us see here. 29th, okay, 30 we is it here? He told that he could solve all the sums. He told is the past tense. Okay, so can solve becomes could solve. Okay, this we have already completed. Next, my father was visiting the church every day when he was in London. When he was in London, it is past time. Every day in the past, not today, not present regular action. Okay, every day in the past means simple past only. Visited. Okay, visited. Very good. Next one. She plays a table tennis since morning. What is wrong here? What is the hint here? Since morning. Okay, what is the tense here? Since plus time or for plus time? Have been or has been playing. She has been playing since morning. Right? Very good. Next one. Guys, now here 33. All of you see 33? Okay, shall I increase the font here? Okay. No. 33. It usually rain in Delhi in July, but it is not raining now. It usually rains. Very good. Simple sentence. Usually, ever, never, always, frequently, sometimes. All the indicate, okay, those are regular actions, present regular actions. Regular means repeated actions. So simple present tense. It usually rains. Okay, very good. 34. Our teacher taught us that the earth moved around the sun. Our teacher taught us, this is past only. But here the earth moved around the sun. So this is a truth only, universal truth. Universal truth, when it, okay, always it should be in simple present tense. Very good. Moves. Okay. Right. His behavior annoy me. His behavior annoy me. His behavior. Third person singular. Third person singular. His behavior. When third person singular, it should be does form. Verb should be does form. What is the does form? Annoy plus does. Annoys. 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 Right? Annoys. Very good. His behavior annoys me. Okay, guys. Next, honesty and hard work certainly brings happiness. What is wrong? Brings is wrong. Honesty and hard work. How many are there? Two. That is plural. When it is a plural here, okay. Bring only. Very good. Adilakshmi, you are right. Bring only. Okay. Bring. Honesty and hard work certainly bring happiness. These two. If subject is plural, verb should be do form. Subject is third person singular, verb should be does form. Always remember that. Okay. If subject is plural, third person plural, verb should be do form. Subject, what is that here? Honesty and hard work. This is the subject. Okay, it is plural only. Honest one and hard work another one. Right. Next, the boys are making a noise since morning. Guys, just answer me. Since morning. What is the tense? Since plus time or for plus time? Present perfect continuous tense. Okay, you see here, Likita, is it third person singular or plural? Boys. Likita, boys. Boys means have been. If it is boy, has been. Boys have been making. Right? If you will meet him now, he may advise you. If you will meet him now, he may advise you. Third person, okay. It is a type 1. In main class, may plus V1, may advise. In main class, will or shall or can or may plus V1 in the main class. In the if class, it should be V1. So present tense only. Okay. In conditional clauses, this is the type 1. This is the main class. He may advise you is the main. Okay, main class. The main class, what is that? May plus V1. Okay. In if class, it should be simple present tense only. What is the simple present tense? If you
meet.
If you meet him now, he may advise you. In if clauses, there should be no future tense. In if clause, if it is present tense, in the main clause, future. Okay. In the if clause, if it is past tense, in the main clause, okay, would or should or could or might plus V1. In if clause, if it is past perfect, had plus V3, in the main clause, would have, should have, could have, or might have plus V3. Okay. Right. Now, the sun has rose. Has is followed by V3 form only. The sun has risen. Very good, Anil. The sun has risen. How has had should be followed by V3 form only. So what is that? Sun has risen. Has risen. Always it should be okay. Has or have. Okay, they should be followed by V3 form only. Next, his sufferings were all borne with great patience. His sufferings were all borne means here. Born means taking birth or tolerating. ఇక్కడ భరించుట అనే మీనింగ్ వస్తుందా లేక టేకింగ్ బర్త్ అని వస్తుందా? టాలరేటింగ్ అనే మీనింగ్ వస్తుంది, రైట్? బేర్ బోర్ బోర్న్. ఓకే, సో హియర్ అనిల్, what it should be? Bear bore born. This one, second one, bear bore born. So here sufferings were all born, means all tolerated. BORNE. Don't get confused. Taking birth is born only. V1, V2, V3 form same. But tolerating, okay, that is bear born. Right? Now here 41. He is born on April 22, 1935. He is born 1935 April 22. Past, no? It is past. So he was born. Here it is. He was born. This one. Right? So he laid the book on the table. Guys, you get confused here. You take down, okay, write down these two. 3. Lay, laid, laid. Means keep, kept. This one, lie, lay, lain. Lie, lay, lain means lying on the ground or in the bed. Padi unduta. Lie, lied, lied. That is telling lies. Okay. See the confusion here. Here lay in the V1. Here lay is in the V2 form. So what is that here?
Laid.
Okay, he laid, he kept. Laid means kept. He laid the book on the table. Okay, don't get confused. He laid the book on the table. Write down the 3 verb forms. Yeah, most of 90% of them, okay, got confusion in this case. Okay, so in all competitive exams, remember 50% will be easy only. That is just average. Almost all candidates can attempt 30 to 40%. Average student can attempt 50%. Okay, and 25% will be just above average standard. Okay, and remaining 25% will be the toughest one. Okay, for those here, you should have some patience. So here 43. What is the answer for 43, guys? Answer for 43. The soldier laid dead on the ground. Simple past, that is. Laying dead. Laying అంటే V3 కదమ్మా ఆదిలక్ష్మి, V2 ఫామ్ రావాలి. The soldier lay dead. Lay dead. Okay, V2 form. He lay dead on the ground. Okay, next 44. He has laid awake in the bed for hours. He has plus V3 form. What is the V3 form for lying in bed? Here, what is the answer? Laying. Very good. Okay, he has laying. Hari, has tarvata ink form untada? Hari. Hari. Harita. Harita has తర్వాత ఇంగ్ ఫామ్ ఉంటుందా? సో he has lain. Okay, lie, lay, lain. He has lain awake in the bed for 4 hours. You see, he has lain. Okay. Right, guys. Next. Has the bell okay. Rung here. It should be V3 form. Already I told you. Has the bell rung?
One stage before one, sir.
Yeah. We tried it in advance only. He rang him on the telephone. Rang. Now come to 47. Has been lying. Adilakshmi. When do you use has been verbing form? If there is a since plus time or for plus time, you can use okay, has been lying. Okay. Adilakshmi. Okay, if it is a since plus time or for plus time, you can use here has been. Yeah, has been. Yes, you can you can use it here. Has laid. Okay, you can say has lain. Very good. Adilakshmi, you are right. Okay, let me correct it. Let me correct it. Has lain is correct. Okay. For plus time, when you get for plus time, you can use present perfect or present perfect continuous. Both are correct. Very good. Has been lying. Okay.
In fact,
Very good. Adilakshmi, you are a good doubt. Both are correct. Has lain or has been lying. Okay. Very good. Has been. Very nice, Adilakshmi. You can okay. You can raise your doubts like that. Okay, when you get here for plus time, both are possible. Present perfect is possible. Present perfect continuous tense is also possible. Okay. Present perfect means completed. It is completed. Present perfect continuous means still it is going on. Okay. 47. Guys, 47. Hello. Slowly here. 5-6 members. 47, guys. 47. I stroke him on. Stroke is noun. Stroke is noun. Struck. Yeah, very good. Tom Subhash, very nice. Struck him. STRUCK. I struck him on head. Okay, very good. And all of you take here these V1, V2, V3 forms. Here you may get confused. Strike, struck, striken. Stick, stuck, stuck. Fly, flew, flown. Flow, flowed, flowed. Flee, fled, fled. Sow, sew, sown. Lose, lost, lost. Here also you get confused. Lose, lost, lost. Freeze, froze, frozen. Guys, just note down these. Make it fast. Okay. Yeah. The birds flown away when the ground was froze. Wrong. The birds flew away. The birds flew away when the ground was frozen. That is the answer. 48. When the ground was frozen. The birds flew away. Okay. The birds flew away when the ground was frozen. Right? Next one. 49. 49. Have you sowed the seed? Have you? Okay. Have you plus V3 form? It should be V3 form. Have you sown the seed? Very good. Here it should be sown. Yes, so here only thing is here. Okay, if you are not aware of V1, V2, V3 forms perfectly, you may go wrong. Those are the basics here. Okay. And we have, okay, we have is followed by V3 form. What is the V3 form of lose? Loss only. We have loss all we had. We have loss. L-O-S-T. Okay. Have is followed by V3 form. Okay. We have lost all we had. I have visited Mumbai 2 years ago. Here time is known. 51. Time is known. Lokesh. Visitor. Have తర్వాత ఏముండాలి? V3 form ఉండాలి కదా లోకేష్? లోకేష్. Have తర్వాత ఏముండాలి? V3 form. కానీ ఇక్కడ 2 years ago ఉంది కదా? Simple past రావాలి. లోకేష్. Simple past. Only visited. Very good. 2 years ago time is there. Okay, when time is there, simple past. We visited. Okay, we visited Mumbai 2 years ago. Because time is mentioned 2 years ago. When time is mentioned, simple past. If time is not mentioned, present perfect. Next, she will not come here. She will not come here is the main class. Unless I shall invite her. Unless means if not. So, unless is also just like if clause only. So in the if clause, there should be no future tense. So what is that? Simply simple present tense. Unless I invite her. Unless I invite her, she will not come here. Very good. Very good. Okay. This one. She shall not come here unless I invite her. 52. Okay. Next one is I pray to God daily. I pray another. First person. I pray. We pray. You pray. They pray. The boys pray. Third person singular వచ్చినప్పుడు మాత్రమే praise అనేది వస్తుంది. అది he prays. She prays. Okay, the boy prays. Okay. So here what is the answer? I pray to God daily. Next, 54. She has bought this dress yesterday. Yesterday time mention చేశారు కదా? Yeah, bought. Simple past. Very good. ఇక్కడ yesterday, last week, last year, 2 days ago, ఇలా time mention చేస్తే simple past. BOUGHT. She bought this dress yesterday. Okay. Very good. Very good. You can went to your home now. Ken తర్వాత ఏం రావాలి? $55. You can go. You can go to your home now. Can go. Can. Okay. Remember, guys, here. Okay. Can is all. Can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might are always followed by V1 form only. Okay. Can go, could go, will go, would go, shall go, should go, may go, might go. So those are called here models, modal auxiliaries. Can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should. All these are called modal auxiliaries. Okay. Right. Can go. Okay. Now here you have some idea over these tenses. Okay. Especially, okay, for completed actions, you have to remember. Okay. When time is known, simple past V2, subject plus V2. When time is not known, or for recently completed actions, subject plus have or has plus V3. That is present perfect. If it is past in past action, means before past or by past, go with the past perfect tense. Okay, remember these three especially. Okay, and if clauses also three minimum. Okay, type 1, type 2, type 3 you have to remember if clauses. Next, perfect continuous tenses. Perfect continuous tenses means present perfect continuous means for plus time since plus time. Past perfect continuous means for plus time by past time. Future perfect continuous tense means for plus time by future time. So remember those, okay, clearly. And one more you have to remember is, okay, don't get confused in V1, V2, V3 forms. Okay, come, came, come, fit, 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 run, ran, run. Okay, telecast, 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 broadcast, broadcast, broadcast. Okay, in these only they play with us. Okay, next we shall go to here new topic. That is, hello, any doubt? So errors in the use of models. Errors in the use of models here. Guys, here models means okay, shall, should, can, could, may, might, okay, will, would, okay, need not to, okay, used to. Is it clear? All these are called here modal auxiliaries. Let me tell you what are the models here. Okay, in this one, okay, shall or should, right? Okay, will or would, will or would. Okay, next one, can or could, right? Next, may or might, right? Next, need to, need to. Next, ought to, okay, OUGH2, ought to, okay. Next one, use it to. All these are followed by V1 form only. Use it to, right? So have to, has to also here you can use it here. These are called modal auxiliaries. Okay. Now guys, here let us try. First one, he should not hurry. There is plenty of time. Adilakshmi is correct. Okay. He need not hurry. He need not. Don't say he needs not. He need not only. Is it clear? Very good, all Lakshmi. So here, what is the answer here? Should not is wrong here. Should not is wrong. So he need not hurry. Right. The case is serious. You should consult a good doctor. Here I have forgotten to use must. Okay. Must is a must. The case is serious. You should consult a good doctor. What here? What is the answer here? Should consult is wrong here. Must consult is correct. You must. Very good. And when I was young, I had worked for 12 hours daily. When I was young. Third one. I had worked for. Okay. Used to work. Very good. Very good. Very good. I used to work for 12 hours. I used to work. Okay, what is the answer? Used to work. Okay, past habits only. I used to work for 12 hours. Yeah. Should you care for a glass of milk? What is the answer? Yeah, would you? Here answer is here, would you? Why would you? Why not will you?
Sir, on what basis, like you are saying the answer, sir?
So, okay, let me tell you here. Yeah. So for a third one, used to work here, used to plus V1 is used. Okay, it comes for past habits. Okay, it comes for past habits. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, right?
So, based on the tense or based on this nature
No,
of
no.
the sentence, sir?
Here tense is not necessary. Here all, okay. Here all are just models only. Here, don't think would you is past. Don't think would you is past.
Sir, when I thought the answer, I thought will, sir, but I
Will,
I
okay.
I said would, sir. But
Very good, very good.
how
Okay,
can
will,
we?
what is the okay? What is the difference between will? Okay, will you or would you? Okay, let me tell you. Both are correct only. Both are correct. But remember, guys, here, will you is used with okay. The persons who are of our age or below our age, where we need not give respect. Okay. So would you is the okay polite one. So let me tell you here for making requests here. Here, will you plus or will you plus V1 question mark. Okay. Next, can you plus V1 question mark. You see, all of you guys here, take note down this one. Will you? Next, would you? Okay, first one, it is repeated. would you plus V1. All of you guys remember, okay, what is the difference here between these? Let me tell you. Next. Okay. All these are correct only. See here. So will you is okay, okay, impolite. Okay, where we need not give any respect here, we can use the will you. Can you is okay, somewhat here we can use can you. Okay, where there is no need of okay giving respect. And would you and could you are okay polite ones with elders, with strangers. Okay, where we need to give respect, we need to use here would you, at least would you or could you. Okay, so all these are requests only. Will you give me your notes? Can you give me your notes? Would you give me your notes? Could you give me your notes? Would you mind giving me your notes? Do you mind giving me your notes? Okay, all these are requests only. Don't think it is a future tense. It is just making requests. Guys, here in spoken English also you can use it here. Okay, will you give me your notes? It is not okay questioning here. It is not just like future tense. It is making a request. Will you give me your notes? Can you give me your notes? Would you give me your notes? Could you give me your notes? Okay. Would you reserve me 2 tickets to Warangal? Could you reserve me 2 tickets to Warangal? Can you reserve me 2 tickets to Warangal? Right? Can you pass me that rice, please? Okay. Is it clear? Would you pass me that sambar, please? Could you pass me that sambar, please? Would you mind passing me that sambar? Right? See, guys, these are just requests only. Right? Okay. So, next one. He should not go to college today. The teachers are on strike. So here it is the necessity. Necessity means here need. Okay, you need to go, you need not to go. The teachers are on strike. So you need not go to college. You need not go. So we have to see should when do we use the should not okay to give instructions or orders here. To give instructions or orders, we use should not. Okay. In a polite way here, advise here ought not. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Here, how do you give instructions here? Director. You should go. You should not go. Okay. Orders. Those are commands. You shall go. Advice. You can go. Advice. You should go. Strong advice. you ought to go in a polite way. Okay. So those are, yes, you need not go. Very good. I went to him so that, okay, I should warn him of the coming danger. I went to him so that is the consequence as a result of going to him. Okay, possibility. Possibility here for possibility can could. Adilakshmi, is it can or could? Adilakshmi. Ram Subhash, how can you answer? Say it is need to, so that as a result of going to him. ఇది past కదమ్మా ఆదిలక్ష్మి. I went to him past కదా.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So what is the answer? I could
I could.
warn. I could warn means I was able to warn him. Okay, possibility వాటికి పాసిబిలిటీకి ఏంది కెన్ కుడ్ పాసిబిలిటీ వస్తుంది. Okay, I went to him so that I could warn him of the coming danger. I was okay able to warn him. అలా past possibility రాసుకోండి. Past possibility could plus V1. Present possibility or future possibility can plus V1. Right? Probability 50-50 అన్నప్పుడు may might. 50-50 ఛాన్సెస్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఓకే మే ప్లస్ V1 ప్రజెంట్ ఆర్ ఫ్యూచర్ కు. పాస్ట్ కి అయితే మైట్ ప్లస్ V1. 50-50.
50-50.
Yeah, okay. I will type here. I will type down. Okay. Here may plus okay V1. May plus V1. It is here present or future. Present or future. Probability. Probability. Okay, present or future probability. అది might plus V1 వచ్చినప్పుడు might plus V1. Might plus, you can note down guys. నేను when I am typing you can okay, you can note down. This is for okay, past. This is for past probability. Probability. Right? Next. Here can plus V1. Can plus V1. Okay. Right? Present or future possibility. 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 ఇది. Next one. Could plus V1. Okay, these modal auxiliaries are very important in spoken English. Okay, almost 50% of the dialects here deal with modal auxiliaries. Right? Even you can use here can and could for suggestions also. For giving the suggestions also you can use can. You can consult a doctor. It is a suggestion. You can go now. It is permission, giving permission. Okay. Right. Next, may can be used here to bless or curse. May can be used okay, to take permission. May I come in, sir? May I go out, sir? Okay. Taking permission. Okay. May I have your notes? Okay. It is taking permission. May I have your notes? Okay. Taking permission. And may also can be used here to bless. May God bless you with okay, grand success. May God bless you with children. Okay. Even curse also. May the devils okay, eat your flesh. Cursing also. Is it clear? May the devils eat your flesh. May you kick the bucket soon. May you fall in trouble soon. Is it clear? That is for cursing. May can be used for taking permissions. Okay. Giving permissions. Right. Blessing or cursing. Is it clear? And probability. Okay. Right. Okay. It may rain now. It may rain now means it may not rain now also. 50-50 chances. Right? May will be used here in these cases. Probability, right? It may rain, it may not rain. Okay, taking permission or giving permission. You may go now. May I come in, sir? You may come in. Right? And blessings or cursings. Even seeking information also. Seeking information. Okay. Yeah. May I know the details, please? May I know the bus timings here to Warangal? Guys, here, note down first. Okay, when I say something here, try to note down here. Try to note down. Take running notes if possible. Okay. Here, may can be used here for probability, 50-50 chances, for taking and giving permissions, for taking and giving permissions. Note down, guys, these are very useful in your day-to-day life. Taking and giving permissions. Okay. Blessings or cursings. To bless or curse. And seeking information. Seeking information. Okay. Even might can be used here to seek permission in extreme cases. In extreme cases. Might plus V1 can be used with past probability and seeking permission in extreme cases. Next. Guys, next note down. Can plus V1. Okay. Or could plus V1. Can will be used to indicate the possibility, comma, ability, to indicate the ability, making requests, giving suggestions and permissions, giving suggestions and permissions. Okay. In all those cases here can will be used. Okay.
Sir, may also you said it used for Giving permission, right, sir?
Okay. If you can go now is also giving permission. You may go also giving permission. And may plus V1 is very informal. Very informal. Yeah. Can is formal. Okay.
Okay.
When I say here, may I come in? Answer is definitely yes only. Just for the sake of formality, we use here, may I come in, sir. But can I is not like that. Okay, can I is okay. The answer may be no, yes or no with can I. Right? But may I is just very formal. Okay, may I have your notes means definitely we expect the yes answer. Can I take your notes means we can't use here. Okay, we can't expect that yes answer. Okay, when we have okay just intimacy and when we expect here answer is yes, then only we use here may I come in, sir. Definitely answer will be yes. Okay, so just may I is very informal case. Okay, can I? Okay, with strangers you can't use may I. Okay, can I only you have to use. Okay, can I take your pen, sir? Can you give me your pen, sir? You have to say. Okay, right. Next, we eat so that we should live. So, why do we eat here? So that we may live.
Sir, can
We can live. By eating, we can live or we cannot live.
we can, sir?
100% guarantee. Huh?
No, sir.
That's why we may probability. Okay, means allowing on it. Allowing may gives here allowing. We may live means okay. That eating may allow us to live. Because small change. One must serve one's country. One must serve. Yeah. Is it a command or okay? Suggestion. One must serve one's country. You are ordering must plus V1, should plus V1. They come under orders. And must plus V1 comes under there is no other way. There is no other alternative choice. You have to follow. There is no other choice when we say must plus V1. But can we say like that? You must serve, one must serve one's country? Is it order? Yeah, ought to. Very good. Very good, guys. Ought to. One ought to. Okay. Ought to is here a polite suggestion. Ought to serve. Ought to serve. Here we ought to serve. Ought to serve is polite. You ought to go. Okay. You ought to do it. Means it is a polite suggestion. Okay. Right. Ought to is very polite. Next. You may not go there personally. Just send them. You may not go there personally. Just send someone. Just send someone means there is no need of your presence, isn't it? What is the answer? I think you got it. You need not go there personally. Not cannot. You need not. Subhash. You need not go there personally. Okay. You need not go there personally. Just send someone. You can't go there means it is not possible. Okay, Ram Subhash. You can't go there means it is not possible to you. If it is not possible to you, how can you send just someone? Okay. Here is there is no need of your attendance here. You need not go there personally. Just someone. That is enough. Okay. Can I borrow your pen? Can I borrow your pen? May I? Okay. May I is okay. Very good. Okay. Next one. He ran so fast. Fast low. He ran so fast so that he could catch the train. So he ran so fast so that he could catch the train. He might catch the fast probability. Okay, he might. Very good. He might catch. Very good. He might catch the bus. He might not also. He might catch or he might not catch. So 50-50 chances. Okay. My boy, you must not have spoken like this. My boy, you must not have spoken like this. You shouldn't have spoken like this. Wouldn't have Adilakshmi. You shouldn't have spoken like this. You shouldn't have ఇలా మాట్లాడి ఉండాల్సింది కాదు. You shouldn't. Okay. You shouldn't have spoken like this.
Sir, one word about should, sir. Should and
should ante you should go. You should not go. అంటే నువ్వు తప్పకుండా
like order, sir. Like order.
You should not go. You shouldn't have said like that. Okay. You shouldn't అలా చెప్పి ఉండాల్సింది కాదు.
Okay, sir.
అలా చెప్పి ఉండాల్సింది కాదు. అంటే ఇక్కడ మస్ట్ నాట్ హ్యావ్ స్పోకెన్ అంటే ఇలా నువ్వు మాట్లాడి ఉండవు అని అర్థం. మస్ట్ నాట్ హ్యావ్ అంటే మాట్లాడి ఉండవు. షుడ్ నాట్ హ్యావ్ అంటే ఇట్లా మాట్లాడి ఉండాల్సింది కాదు అన్నట్టు. మస్ట్ నాట్ హ్యావ్ స్పోకెన్ అంటే నువ్వు ఖచ్చితంగా ఇలా మాట్లాడలేదు అని చెప్పడం. యూ షుడెంట్ హ్యావ్ స్పోకెన్ అంటే ఇలా మాట్లాడి ఉండాల్సింది కాదు. నేను మస్ట్కు షుడ్కు చిన్న కన్ఫ్యూజ్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సమ్వన్ ఈజ్ నాకింగ్ ఎట్ ద డోర్. ఖచ్చితంగా ఓకే హీ మస్ట్ బి మిల్క్ మ్యాన్. హీ మస్ట్ బి మిల్క్ మ్యాన్ అంటే తప్పకుండా అతను మిల్క్ మ్యానే అయి ఉంటాడు 100% అని. ఓకే. హీ షుడ్ బి ఏ మిల్క్ మ్యాన్ అంటే అతను మిల్క్ మ్యాన్ అయి ఉండాలి అని అర్థం. మస్ట్ బి మిల్క్ మ్యాన్ మీన్స్ అతను ఖచ్చితంగా మిల్క్ మ్యానే అన్నట్టు. ఐఎమ్ షూర్ అన్నట్టు. ఓకే. సో చిన్న డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్, ఐ కెనాట్ యాక్సెప్ట్ యువర్ ఛాలెంజ్. యు ఆర్ టూ స్ట్రాంగ్. I could not accept your challenge. You are too strong. Now, what is the answer? I could not. How could not? I dare not. Very good. Bhavisha, very good. I dare not accept. Dare not అనేది కూడా okay, very good. This is also model, sir. I dare not accept. Very good. Okay. Dare not is also model auxiliary. Okay. The doctor should do everything possible to save a patient. ఇక్కడ ఏంది ఆబ్లిగేషన్, ఇక్కడ షుడ్ డూ అనేది ఆర్డర్ లాగా, ఆర్డర్ కాదు, అతని అబ్లిగేషన్, అతని రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ. ద డాక్టర్ ఆట్ టు డూ, ద డాక్టర్ ఆట్ టు డూ. ఓకే, ఓకే, నీడ్ టు డూ, ఆట్ టు డూ, ఆట్ టు డూ లేదా నీడ్ టు డూ. కరెక్ట్. సజెషన్ అన్నట్టు, షుడ్ డూ అనకూడదు. షుడ్ డూ అంటే కమాండ్ లాగా. ఓకే, had he worked hard, he might have passed. Had he worked hard, ఇక్కడ how can you say might have? Yeah, could have. What is the answer? Past possibility. Should have కాదమ్మా తేజ. షుడ్ హ్యావ్ అంటే ఏమవుతుంది, అది ఖచ్చితంగా పాస్ అయ్యి ఉండాల్సింది అన్నట్టు. ఖచ్చితంగా పాస్ అయ్యి ఉండాల్సింది కాదు, అంటే పాస్ అవడం పాసిబుల్ అయి ఉండేది. ఈ కుడ్ హ్యావ్ పాస్ట్. he could have passed. అతను హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేసి ఉన్నట్లయితే పాస్ అయి ఉండేవాడు అంటే పాస్ట్ పాసిబిలిటీ. పాస్ట్ పాసిబిలిటీ. మైట్ హ్యావ్ అనేది ప్రాబబిలిటీ 50-50. హ్యాడ్ హీ వర్క్డ్ హార్డ్, ఇఫ్ హీ హ్యాడ్ వర్క్డ్ హార్డ్, అతను హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేసి ఉన్నట్లయితే పాస్ అయి ఉండేవాడు అంటే పాసిబిలిటీ ఉండేది. he could have passed. ఇలా. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్, విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ ఎ డిక్షనరీ. ఓకే, యూ మే లెర్న్ కాదు, యూ కెన్ లెర్న్. పాసిబిలిటీ ఈస్ దేర్. ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్? యూ కెన్ లెర్న్. ఓకే, ఐ వాజ్ అఫ్రైడ్ దట్ ఇఫ్ ఐ ఆస్క్డ్ హిమ్ అగైన్. Okay, he may refuse. Probability 50-50 అన్నట్టు. He may refuse. He was working hard. Past lo, he was working hard so that he might get good marks. Might get. So just okay, today I am testing only. So I will take a class separately with can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might. I will take here theory class separately.
Sir, can you share some models with sir?
Yeah, models. So I will take the class separately. Okay, then I will share the document also. Okay, when would you accompany me to Calcutta? When? Would you is not necessary. When will you? When? Okay, will accompany. When will you accompany? Not would. I will take a separate class here. This is only first one before, okay, before going for the main. Right? Next one, the last one is, what is the answer? He played with me when he was a boy. This is past habit. Past habit, I think you know that. What is that? past habit, he used to play. Used to, right? He used to play with me when he was a boy. Okay. So in the past, all past actions, past habitual actions, we can use here used to plus V1. Okay. Right. Tomorrow here I'll okay. Take you okay separate class on models here. Will you, would you, can you, could you here? Will, okay, may, might. In okay various cases, how they can be used here, I'll take a separate class. But before that, wherever you have examples on models here, just go through them. These may come, especially in spoken English. Okay, in your okay group discussions also, you have to use here these here. Can you suggest me here? What would you think like that? Okay, these are the phrases they are regularly used in your day-to-day conversations. Okay, right, guys? Yeah. Okay, sir. Shall I give?
Good evening, ma. Is my voice is clear?
Yes. Yes, ma. Is my voice clear?